In this video, we will solve an example molarity / flow rate problem using density and composition. And so if you want, you can pause the video here and attempt the problem. So let's get started. So we have a hydrogen chloride solution composed of 40 grams of HCl for every 160 grams of water, which flows into a 400-gallon tank. The density of the solution is given by this, and we want to know three things. What is the molarity of the solution in terms of moles per liter? And two, if we fill the 400-gallon tank in 75 seconds, what is the flow rate of the solution in terms of meter cubed divided by seconds? And finally, how many moles of HCl are in the tank when it is filled? So let's get started. We can say that we have 40 grams for every 160 gram of water. So we could say that 40 grams of HCl so for every 40 grams of HCl plus 160 grams of water. So this right here is our solution in the denominator. And so we times it by 100% to get a composition. So we could say that it's 20 mass percent HCl. And what we want to do for the first problem is find the molarity in terms of moles of HCl divided by liter of solution. So we could say that 20 grams of HCl for every 100 grams of solution. We could then say that 1.1 gram of solution per 1 mil of solution. So this would cancel. This would cancel right here. We would have grams of HCl per milliliters of solution. Next, we could say that 1,000 mils is 1 liter. Cancel, cancel. And finally, we could say that 36.46 grams of HCl is 1 mole. So this right here is the molecular weight. If we multiply everything out, we would get 6.034 moles of HCl per liter of solution. So this right here is our first answer, which is this. Next, we're going to want to get the second problem. Fill the 400-gallon tank in 75 seconds. Find the flow rate in terms of meter cubed divided by seconds. So we could say that 400 gallons is 1 gallon is 3.785 liters, and we know that 1,000 liter is 1 meter cubed. So this right here would equal 1.514 meter cubed. So we want meter cubed per seconds. So that would be pretty simple. We could say that our volumetric flow rate is 1.514 meter cubed divided by time, which is 75 seconds. 75 seconds. And so this is going to equal 0.02019 meter cubed divided by seconds. So this right here is our second answer. Now for the last part, how many moles of HCl are in the tank when it is filled? And so we know that whenever we have 400 gallons, that is equivalent to this number, 1.514 meter cubed. So we will start off with that number. So 1.514 meter cubed. We know that 1 meter cubed is 1,000 liters. And finally, we want to know how many moles of HCl. So we use this number right here. So 1 liter would be 6.034 moles of HCl. And when we multiply this out, we would get 9,135.5 moles of HCl. And this right here is the third and final answer, and that's all we need to do.